Hello everybody, I'm here with my weekly FGNORMAL video. Here is number 2. So this one is sorted by a certain topic, except for this. So anyhow, let's get started. This is something I did not order, and they sent this along. There was a couple things. Sorry, I'm gonna make a noise. Maybe I can't get it open. Oh, I see. Okay, hang on. It's in a box wrapped in plastic. Okay, hang on. They sent a couple of things I didn't order. He was just like, I thought you'd like to try these. Do you have this? I'm like, no. Okay, so he sent some things along. But this is a washi tape collection. It's pretty cute, right? Different sizes. Look at this big wide one and different widths. And then, you know, this is the size that we're kind of more accustomed to, but washi tapes. I'll have to look these up. I didn't even look these up yet to see how much they are or anything on their site, but I will certainly link them below so that you can go look and see if you need some washi tape. I'm certain they're going to be very reasonable. Everything at FGNORMAL is very reasonable. Pretty cute, right? And look, on the back it shows your patterns. Nice. I like that. Cute. All right. So onward and upward. Here we go. This is not quilling. It's not. It's just a bouquet of flowers, right? Just a beautiful bouquet of flowers. And look at all of the big special drills. There's going to be a ton of them. Ah, that's going to be so pretty. All right. There are 15 different items. Let's see what we get. Whoa, whoa. Oh, did you see them? Did you see those? Okay, we gotta wait. We gotta wait on those. Whoa. Okay. Clear, pink, red, some blues, some greens, and that's all of our rhinestones right there. That's it for rhinestones. The rest of this is special drills. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Gorgeous, right? Big green marquees. Love those. Look at the pretty blue iridescent teardrops. Love this stuff. Some green faceted, some red smooth, and those are big. Oh, they're probably going to go in the centers. Pearls. Look at these. Wow, these are so pretty. Red faceted, like a big teardrop. Some purple, pink marquees. Okay, and then you ready for this one? You probably already saw these. Look at these. Oh my goodness, look at those. Aren't those fantastic? Oh my goodness, those are awesome. I love those. Okay, so it's going to go all around this flower right here and around here. That's where these go. Oh, they are cool, aren't they? Those are so cool. Wow. I told you there was going to be a lot of specials for that one, and they're large specials. That's going to be cool. That one's going to be fantastic, right? Fantastic. All right, on with more flowers. More flowers, right? Poinsettias. This is a full drill. 20 colors, legend on both sides, DMC codes. Now, this is what I was wondering about. You might need a light pad to help you out in the red areas. Okay, so I can see P, G, H. I mean, there's so much red and quite a variety of symbols. Using a light pad, I mean, I can read them. That's not the problem. I think your eyes will start to just go woo after a while with all the reds in there. So a light pad will probably help you out. And I would probably do some of it in the red and then maybe take a break and go to the green. You know, just give myself a break. Everything is clear. You can read them. I just think there's so much red and so much green, your eyes might just go loopy-loo after a while, right? Loopy-loo. All right, these come pre-bagged. All right, now look at this is the main colors right here. And they're very orangey colored. They're not, you know, like a true red. They're very orangish. What are they? They're 5 and 18. So, well, 606 and 3801. Huh. Those are our reds for our poinsettia. There's a few more reds in here, but they're orange as well. Look. Very interesting. It's going to be a very orangish poinsettia. I mean, there's red. That's red. Everything else is to the orange hues. You know what I mean? Anyhow. And then we got a bunch of greens. That's all greens. Green, green, green. And a little bit of yellow. But the poinsettias themselves are going to be these colors right here. That'll be interesting to see how those turn out. All right. Okay. That is not the first pre-bagged drill kit I've gotten from FGNORMAL. I think I had one in the last unboxing. Pre-bagged drills. All right, here we go. Now, this one you might call quilling. Yeah, this one I would call quilling. But it's just flowers, right? It's just a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Again, we have some large... Not as many as that other one, but some large special drills. Some special drills down here. But a lot more rhinestones for that one. But it's going to be a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Let's look and see what we have. We have 14. I think it looks like we're going to have 4 special drills. And everything else will be rhinestones. All right. So let's see what we have. Oh, I just caught a glimpse of something you guys won't believe. Clear, red, pink, peach, red, green, pink, gold, amber, pink. This is what I just caught sight of. Look at those. Look at those. You know where those go? They go right down here. I thought these were going to be individual little, see what I mean? I thought they might be little individual drills, but no, they're not. They get the flowers. Those are cool. Those will be fun. Ooh, some clear with iridescent coating shards. I've never had clear. I'm not certain I've ever had pink ones either. And then pink centers for some of the flowers. Maybe just one. Maybe just that one right there. So we got plenty of those. Anyhow, aren't those pretty? Wow, it's going to be so pretty. I wanted to see these better. That one looks kind of... I guess they're fine. Okay, but how pretty. Nice. Like it. Like it, like it, like it a lot. Okay, and the last one I have is just beautiful, beautiful cardinals on a fence with some greenery. We've got some pine boughs, a lot of snow, a lot of winter going on there, and the male and the female cardinal. I thought that was just very pretty, very elegant, and just... Now, this fence is multiple colors, J-I-L-V, you know, it's not one color. The sky is not one color. Nothing on here is just one color. It's lots of variation. But I think it will be really pretty. Again, it's a very simple picture. You got a main focal point here, which is large. The 2 birds are large enough to show up, and then the fence and everything just complements it. I think it'll be gorgeous. I think it will be gorgeous. And here are our drills. We can look at those real quick. But there's going to be a lot of blue and gray. Some greens. Oh, here, I have some off-whites, tan, beige colors. Always wanted to come out and say hello first. All right. There's our like mint color, a couple of blues, 1 green, a tan. I mean, we have some tan on our female bird, right? Some greens, pink, that's like a burnt orange, gray, another red, a pink, a gray, and like a magenta almost, between cranberry and magenta. That's what I would say. So that is what I have for this week's FGNORMAL video. So I'm trying to get a variety of things, and I think I have succeeded in that. I hope I have found something that everybody can, enjoy. And I will link everything below so you can go check them out yourself and check out their washi tape collection. I mean, I will, like I said, I'll find everything, I'll link everything, and I'll let you know the prices and all that. So there you have it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you found something you liked. And hit the like button, subscribe, all those things that you guys do. And I'll be back next week with the last order, or the last part of the order from FGNORMAL. Have a great day. Have a good week, you guys. Bye, everybody.